Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Now, I know it can seem a bit intimidating at first, but don't worry. I'm here to break it down for you in simple terms. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Well, think of it as digital or virtual money. It's a form of currency that exists solely in electronic form and operates independently of a central bank. Unlike traditional currencies, such as the dollar or euro, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by any single authority. Now, one of the key features of cryptocurrencies is blockchain technology. Imagine a digital ledger that records all transactions in a secure and transparent manner. This ledger is decentralized and maintained by a network of computers, making it virtually impossible to alter or hack. When you make a cryptocurrency transaction, it's verified by the network through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles. And once a puzzle is solved, the transaction is added to the blockchain. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about cryptocurrency? Well, there are several reasons. For one, it offers lower transaction fees compared to traditional banking systems, especially for international transfers. Plus, it provides financial access to people who may not have had it before, especially in regions with limited banking infrastructure. Another reason is the potential for investment. Cryptocurrencies have gained popularity as speculative assets, with prices often experiencing significant fluctuations. While this volatility can be risky, it also presents opportunities for traders to profit. Now, let's talk about some common cryptocurrencies. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, which was the first and remains the most well-known cryptocurrency. But there are thousands of others, including Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin, each with its own unique features and applications. Getting started with cryptocurrency is easier than you might think. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies on online platforms called exchanges, where you can also store your digital assets in secure wallets. Of course, it's essential to do your research and understand the risks involved before diving into the world of cryptocurrency, but with the right knowledge and precautions, it can be an exciting and potentially lucrative venture. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope you found this introduction to cryptocurrency helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.